This is Danny with Sentry Builders. A common question that we get asked is, how long is my steel building project going to take? It's a great question with a few different answers. If we are talking about the signed contract to finished product, it could be months, depending on the workload, scheduling, and most importantly, the permit process, depending on the city or county which you take, and how long it takes our building to get through that process. In this video, I just wanted to briefly discuss the erecting time. How long our erecting crew is on site. So once the foundation prep and concrete are complete, our erecting crew shows up on site. Our typical building, such as the one shown here, will take about 4 days. This building is a 40 by 60 with 16-foot eaves. It has 3 overhead doors and 2 walk-through doors, so this is a very typical kind of building for us. Day one, the red iron, or what you might call the skeleton of the building, goes up. These components are coated with a red primer, hence the name red iron. And then each piece is actually individually marked for a specific location. And our crew is efficient in putting these up. They know exactly where each piece fits, where it's supposed to go. Once the walls are put up, they are squared, and then we start putting in the walk doors and any other accessories such as windows. Day two, insulation on the walls and the wall sheeting begin. Any finishing touches with the red iron, if there are more windows to finish, wrapping around the building or whatever, those are completed. Depending on the number of door openings and windows, this part will take approximately a day and a half to 2 days to finish. So the insulation goes on first, and then the sheeting is put on top of that. So day three is the second day of wall sheeting and insulation. Again, depending on the number of openings that the building has, the walls are completed. Once those are done, the trim that can be completed at this time goes on. Some of the trim is required before the roof goes on. So all those will get finished, and then they do prep for the roof. Day four, the roof and final touches are put on the building. The last pieces of trim go on. Equipment and tools are loaded, and final cleanup is done. At this point, the building is ready for final inspection. We call in for that final inspection on that final day. The garage doors are not required for final inspection, and so they're typically installed within 1 to 2 days of that final inspection, and then the building is complete and ready to go. So hope this gave some insight into how our buildings are done and what you might expect from your building project. Once again, my name is Danny with Sentry Builders. Please check out our other videos for tips and pointers on your steel building project. Thank you.